What if I told you a pocket-sized camera could deliver professional-grade footage, smooth out shaky shots, and even track your every move? Stick around to find out how the Feiyu Pocket 3 might just change the way you create content forever. I didn't expect much from a pocket camera, but the Feiyu Pocket 3 truly surprised me. If shaky footage or bulky setups have ever been your problem, this little gem might be the ultimate solution. In this video, we'll test its top features and reveal one game-changing function that could completely transform how you shoot videos. Seriously, stick around. You don't want to miss this. Let's dive into what makes the Feiyu Pocket 3 stand out. This camera doesn't just film, it transforms your videos with its 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Imagine hiking through rocky terrain or sprinting to capture the perfect sunset shot. This gimbal ensures your footage stays buttery smooth, eliminating that distracting shakiness for good. This feature alone adds a polished, cinematic feel to your content, no matter where you are. But wait, here's where it gets even better. The Feiyu Pocket 3 is compact and lightweight, designed to slip easily into your pocket or small bag. It's the ultimate travel buddy, ideal for capturing spontaneous trips or filming a bustling street market without the hassle of bulky gear. The Pocket 3 is all about making professional-grade filming accessible and convenient. And accessibility doesn't stop there. Another huge highlight is its AI-powered tracking feature. Ever wanted a camera that follows your every move, keeping you perfectly framed? With the Feiyu Pocket 3, you can. Whether you're vlogging, recording a workout, or capturing moments with friends, this camera tracks your every move seamlessly. The best part? It's all done automatically, with no extra equipment, apps, or Bluetooth setups needed. Now let's talk about a feature that truly sets the Feiyu Pocket 3 apart, its built-in magnetic function. Unlike other action cameras or pocket cams that require additional accessories, the Pocket 3 can be directly attached to any stainless steel surface. Whether you're in a fast-moving car or need a stable mount in seconds, just place it on a metallic surface and it holds firmly. This makes setting up your shot incredibly quick and easy. No accessories or mounts needed. It's perfect for capturing unique angles or steady shots without extra gear. For even more flexibility, the Feiyu Pocket 3 comes with a detachable remote control that works with its magnetic mount. Attach it to a car and you can control the camera remotely to adjust the shooting angle while on the move. Competing products usually lock into a fixed direction when mounted, but with you're free to shift the view as you go. This flexibility is a game changer for creators wanting to capture dynamic, moving shots from various angles, all without touching the camera. And let's not forget the visuals. The 4K resolution at 60 frames per second captures every scene in stunning detail. Whether it's fast-paced action, sweeping landscapes, or intricate close-ups, this resolution ensures your footage is vivid and lifelike. From everyday moments to thrilling adventures, your content will have a cinematic feel that sets it apart. Setting up the Feiyu Pocket 3 is as easy as it gets. Just power it on, and it automatically balances itself in seconds. No complicated adjustments, no time-consuming balancing. Whether you're racing to capture a fleeting moment or filming on the go, the user-friendly design is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros who want to get up and running fast. Let's talk about battery life, a crucial factor for any creator. The Feiyu Pocket 3 delivers up to 5 hours of shooting time on a single charge. No more worrying about your camera dying halfway through your shoot. Whether you're documenting a full day of adventures or capturing quick moments, the Pocket 3 has your back. When it comes to editing, the Feiyu Cam app is a fantastic companion. This app lets you control camera settings, manage footage, and even add effects right from your phone. You can easily edit, trim, and enhance your videos on the fly. Not feeling tech-savvy? Don't worry, the app is straightforward and user-friendly, perfect for quick edits or more detailed tweaks. With the Feiyu Pocket 3 and its companion app, creating professional quality content has never been easier. From filming to editing, this camera has everything you need to take your videos to the next level. So if you're looking for a compact, versatile camera that's packed with features to make content creation a breeze, The Feiyu Pocket 3 might be exactly what you need. And here's the cherry on top. You can grab it with a 15% off discount code for a limited time. Imagine filming in 4K, having a camera that follows your every move with AI tracking, and controlling everything from a detachable remote, all without breaking the bank. Want to take your videos to the next level? The Feiyu Pocket 3 is just the beginning. If you're ready to level up your content and discover even more amazing tools to enhance your creativity, check out my latest video where I dive into 7 essential gadgets every creator should know about. Click the link now to boost your skills and start capturing incredible content today.